Hi, first graders. Hopefully you're having fun practicing your new sound spelling card for the week, the OWL card. We do have 2 bonus sound spelling cards this week. Now, these 2 will not be on your spelling post test on Friday. However, you need to know how to read these sounds if you're going to go on to 2nd grade. So the first new bonus sound spelling card is the boy card. The boy card is going to help us with the sound oi, and you can see that there are 2 different spellings. O-Y, which does not come at the beginning of a word, and O-I. So those 2 spellings will help you with the sound oi from the boy card. We're going to do some practice with that sound spelling card first before we move on to the second bonus card. So if you have your whiteboard and marker ready, you can do some practice with some words with me. If you don't, go ahead and pause the video now, and then you can go grab your whiteboard and marker so that you can write along with me. So here we go, practicing just the boy card to start. The first word that we're going to practice is hopefully a math word that you already know. This is the topic in math that you have already started studying during your distance learning. This is the word that describes those little coins that we use. I just said it. The word is coin. You can say the sounds in coin. K, oi, n. So that oi sound is in the middle. And the spelling for that word is k-oi-n, coin. The second word that we're going to practice, I'll try not to spoil it first, but this describes the thing that you might play with when you're getting bored. So the thing that you might play with is a toy. So the sounds in the word toy are t, oi. Only 2 sounds in that word, t and oi. It comes at the end of the word. So the spelling is like that, oi, toy. One more word that we're going to practice is a word that means that you're putting 2 things together, and that is the word join. Join. So the sounds are j, oi, n, join. And the spelling is j, oi, n, join. Now what we're going to do is we're going to practice the second bonus sound spelling card for the week, which is the saw card. The saw card is going to help us with that sound ah, saw card. And there are 2 new spellings for that sound, A-W and A-U. You'll see that A-U has the line at the end. That means it does not come at the end of a word. It can be the beginning or in the middle, but it does not come at the end. If that sound is at the end, then it's going to be spelled with A-W. So I'm going to erase these words so we can do some practice with the saw card. So the first word that I want you to practice is an action word. It's a verb, and it's a word that describes what you might do with a pencil and some crayons. You would draw. The word is draw, so you can say the sounds in the word draw. D-r-ah, d-r-ah, draw. So it starts with the blend, d-r, and then the ah sound comes at the end, which means the spelling is going to be like that, draw, draw. The second word that we're going to practice is another action word, and it describes what a big truck might do to something heavy behind it, maybe a boat or maybe some logs. The word is haul, haul. So the sounds are owl, haul. That ah sound is in the middle of the word. Owl, haul. So there are a couple words to help you practice the second bonus sound spelling card for the week, the saw card. Again, you should be practicing these words and these spellings so that you can get better at them, but you will not see them on your spelling post test on Friday. If you want some bonus practice with these words, you can go to your practice book, page 132, and there are some activities there that you can try. All right, have fun, first graders. See you later. Bye.